Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily change your date of birth on Pinterest app. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Pinterest app on your phone, and after opening it you will have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner to head over to the profile, and again tap on your profile picture on the top left corner to head over to the settings of your Pinterest. Now you will have to tap on account management on the top of your screen, and then tap on personal information on the top once again, and you'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to find an option of date of birth on the top, and you'll have to tap on it. Now you'll have a option to change your date of birth, and I want to change it to this kind of date of birth, and then hit update. And you can see on the top it's birthday updated, and in date of birth section now it's 12 August 2004. So that's how you can easily change your date of birth on Pinterest app. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video,